Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com, a leading tax filing portal in India. US markets closed very good. It was a little bit choppy. Dow was okay, but it was only the Nasdaq which came to negative at some point of time, then closed higher. So US markets are looking very positive ahead of the US inflation data. So which means that the markets are not jittery ahead of the inflation data. So today we have to see the inflation data can make or break the markets in US, and probably that will be the last data the people are looking before the next Fed event, which is about 2 weeks away. So this is about US markets. Asian markets are mostly higher, and one or two markets are down. But what is surprising, GIF Nifty is almost flat, maybe like 10 points higher. And given the positive momentum in the global markets, and given the kind of money being pumped in by FIA, and given the fact that US dollar is depreciating to 2 month low, given that rupee is appreciating slightly, so all this augurs well for bull market. And so many positives, markets are not going for a gap up. That's because for the last 2 days markets met with a selling pressure at higher level. So two times markets fell after Nifty crossing 19,500 in spot yesterday as well as last Thursday. So today we have to see once again, you know, the people say technically double top. The market has fallen. There is no triple top or quadruple top. So next time, if market takes out 19,500 in the spot on the higher side, that too very quickly, not after many days, then it is time to be very bullish about a market. On the other hand, Nifty will have to fall and break 19,300 on the downside to confirm that what happened yesterday is a double top. And surprisingly, uh, yesterday, that is day before yesterday in US markets, and all the four top ADRs, Infosys, Wipro, uh, ICICI Bank, and HDFC Bank, all the four of them are down. But yesterday, our market, there was a huge gap up. And yesterday night in US markets, and all the four top ADRs are in green. Particularly, HDFC Bank is doing extremely well. But SGX Nifty or GIF Nifty is not showing any gap up, it's just showing almost flat. And always remember my statement, sometimes markets can be trending only if it opens flat. And that trending will be more powerful than if there is a gap up or gap down. Mostly gap ups are sold into and our gap downs are bought into. No, markets are, our market also will be little bit volatile because number one, today is Wednesday, so usually Wednesdays are very volatile. And number two, consumer price inflation data both in India and US will be coming out today evening after the market close. And on top of which, so we have special one, the TCS results after the market hours. And today, TCS and HCL Technology both are coming out with results. I think tomorrow is Wipro. So these three stocks results will give some guidance for overall IT pack. But the only sector that's very bearish right now is IT, and all other sectors are very bullish. So if IT also turns bullish, then the markets can uh, take out 19,500 very easily. Probably it may take out with a gap up. I think so, because if today also the markets may chop around may close around or slightly below 19,500, and tomorrow there may be a gap up based on the TCS results. So anyway, we will see tomorrow, but I will not be surprised if even if there is some kind of a short covering today in the last 1 hour in TCS. So if you are a long-term investor, contra investor, I'm sure around 3,200 TCS is a good buy, but it is not trading around 3,200 now. Trading around 3,280 or 90, something like that. But one can always sell 3,200 put option. That is trading at a quite significant premium. I think yesterday about 25 to 30 rupees should be the premium. So if you are selling it, if the TCS goes higher, that money you pocket it. If TCS goes down, you can buy at a lower level. And this is only for contra investors or long-term investors. Many times stocks have corrected 25-30%, but uniformly in the next 2 to 3 years, they've given good return. So that is one. So option open interest wise, there is no much change except I told you 19,350 put option added some open interest. 19,500 short straddle is being taken by some people, right? Otherwise, there is no much action in. Surprisingly, there is no much action in open interest now, and more stocks are getting into speculative mode, and more stocks are trading, coming under trading ban. And now today, latest addition is Manappuram Finance. I think there are about 7 or 8 stocks coming into trading ban. So the too much speculation is actually not really very good. That is the time when either market, you can say inflection point. When a market can move significantly higher or significantly lower, but we don't know which direction it will go. But looking at the global cues and the setup, the probability of market going higher is very, very high. So that's what we can say at this point of time. So Bank Nifty will be in focus today. Yesterday, banks and financials dragged the market down. Now the US ADRs are looking positive. So we need to see how this bank, because this just in order to take out the intraday players, the Bank Nifty makes a bigger move on almost a day-to-day basis. At the money short straddle, it's trading around 450, 500 point premium, but everyday Bank Nifty moves 300 to 500 point move. So that's why the intraday players are struggling. So anyway, so let us see what is going to happen. So the last 2 weeks is slightly boring one, and my pre-market report is also boring one. Same thing I'm repeating, but from tomorrow there will be what you say, Dhamaka will begin with the TCS results. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.